Hi, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads, and I'm here with a simple alternative for the June 2022 paper pumpkin pick of the crop. I'm starting with one of the card bases and cutting it in half with my paper trimmer, just to the left of the score line. Next, I'm trimming about 1/8 of an inch off all 4 sides of the gorgeous scenery piece. I cut a piece of vellum cardstock the same width of the printed scenery piece and 5 3/4 inches long. I'm scoring the long side at 1 inch to create a hinge. Then I'm using seal adhesive to adhere the hinge to the back of the scenery piece. More seal on the entire back adheres the scenery and vellum to the card base I cut earlier. After punching out the cart from its backing, I applied dimensionals to pop the cart up on the vellum overlay. This kit includes a Calypso Coral ink spot, but since I already have a large Calypso Coral ink pad, I'm using it to ink the sentiment, "You're the pick of the crop," directly to the card base. Now I'm using a crushed curry marker to change the color of the pre-printed bread and add a little more depth as well. I'm also trimming away the white edge with my paper snips and rounding the ends of the loaf. A few glue dots pop the loaf up just a little bit to add even more dimension. I decided to leave the middle blank so I can write a personal message. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button to be notified of more of my videos.